The next example is the polygenic inheritance here. That is the skin color in human being. That is when skin color in human being, that is the three pair of gene control human skin color, and who found that is the skin color of human being is one of the example of the polygenic inheritance here. Davenport in 1910, when he studied the population in USA, that is the Negro and the albino people. That is the Negro means darkest black people here, or pure black here. Negro, that is the pure black, and albino, which is the pure white. When he studied these two population in USA, he found that the various or the continuous variation in human skin color here, that is, and which type of gene control these human skin color in the Negro and the albino, that is the three gene pair here, that is capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c here. Three pairs of gene here control the or the regulate the human skin color here. When he studied the F1 progeny and the F2 progeny, and when he studied the human skin color, when Negro or pure black cross with albino, which is the pure white, that is the genotype, that is here the capital A, capital B, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C is the dominant allelic pair over recessive, that is the small a, small a, small b, small b, small c here. This trait is the recessive trait, and this is the dominant trait here. And the gamete formation, which is capital A, capital B, capital C, is the gamete of Negro, and here small a, small b, small c is the gamete of albino, that is the pure white here. That is the Negro, that means pure black here, and pure white. When the F1 progeny here, that is the intermediate color, which is produced or intermediate character here. That intermediate character which is here, the mulatto is produced. That is the Saula color. When these three genes are dominant here, capital A, capital B, capital C, and the remaining, that is the small, that is the recessive, small a, small b, small c here, and this is the intermediate color. Intermediate color, or which is also called the Saula color here. But the variation or the continuous variation at the shade of colors are different shade of color here. When F1 generation is crossed with or the selfing with, that is the capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, cross with capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, when the cross, the gametes are formed here. The 8 types of gametes are formed. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital A, capital B, small c, capital A, small b, capital C, capital A, small a, capital B, capital C, capital A, small b, small c here. Then small a, capital B, small c, small a, small b, capital C, and the last one which is the all small, that is the small a, color show, or that is the Savla color show, when two dominant here which is the two dominant here, or here also two dominant, capital A, capital B, small c, small c. Here two are dominant, that is fair color. Then when one dominant gene here the only one dominant gene, that is very fair color, and the last one here all are recessive, no one dominant here, that is the white color show. When we see or when we count the 6 dominant gene, 5 dominant gene, 4 dominant gene, 3 dominant gene, 2 dominant gene, 1 dominant gene, and no dominant gene here this person, the melanin is absent, and this person, that is the 6 dominant gene, the melanin, which is the more melanin is present, and depending upon the melanin here, the colors of shades are present, or depending on the dominant gene, the melanin is, which is depending on that dominant here, that is 6 dominant, 5 dominant, 4 dominant, 3 dominant, 2 dominant, and 1 dominant and no dominant gene. Then we see the how many, or the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio of this Punnett square. Here the human skin color and the dominant gene वर आधारित असे कलरचे वेगवेगळे शेड्स आहेत आणि व्हेरिएशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. When 6 dominant gene, that is the one person only, that is the pure black. हे सगळं जे काढलेलं आहे, that is the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio also here, that is depending on the Punnett square. Here the 6 dominant gene, that is the one, that is the pure black. 5 dominant gene, that is the 6 genotypes here, that is the less black. 4 dominant gene here 15%, that is the lesser black person. 3 dominant gene, that is the 20 here, the mulatto here, or it is also called intermediate color and the Savla color here. When 3 dominant genes are present, this is show the intermediate color here. Then 2 dominant gene here, the 15% here, fair person. Then 1 dominant gene, 6%, very fair person, and last one is, which is the no dominant, only recessive trait here, small a, small b, small c here, only 1%, that is the pure white person. That person is also called the albino person here, that is the pure white person. Pure black, which is the negro person here. These are the, and depending on this, the genotypic ratio, that is the 1:6:15:20:1 here, the ratio, and the graphic representation like that. The kernel color of wheat, we saw the one of the example, that is the kernel color of wheat is also one of the example of the polygenic inheritance, and human skin color is the example of the polygenic inheritance, and the graphic representation also, that is like this, that is 1 which is pure black here, 2 which is 6 dominant gene here, that is 5 dominant gene here, that is the 6, that is the less black. Then intermediate here, then lesser black here, then the intermediate, then that is the fair, very fair, and which is the albino, that is the pure white. The graphic representation is like this, all polygenic inheritance here, like this. Here one of the example of the skin color in human being, all know who discovered the human skin color and the various shades, and which control the 3 gene, that one trait, that is the Davenport in 1910 here. This is the one of the example of the human skin color and polygenic inheritance. I hope you all understand that. Thank you.